Hello, my name is Reggie McCrimmon, and this is my mock lesson for Breakthrough Denver. Hey class, today we're going to be learning about solving two-step equations, all right? So we have an equation written over here. Raise your hand if you think this equation says 4 times negative 8 equals 20. Okay, raise your hand if you think it says 4x minus 8 equals 20. Okay, those of you who said 4x minus 8 equals 20 are correct. And here's why. X is a variable. The variable is the unknown. That's the number we're trying to solve for. The 4 in front of the x is the coefficient. It gives value to the unknown. The constant is the number that stands alone away from everything else. Okay? Yes?
Does the variable always have to be x?
No, the variable doesn't always have to be x. It can be any letter of the alphabet. So sometimes you might see a y, a p, a a, a b. The variable can be any letter. Okay? Any other questions? All right. So in solving two-step equations, we're going to do 3 steps. The first step being opposite. So we're going to write out our equation for x minus 8 equals 20. We're going to do the opposite. So here we see our constant. It says minus 8. The opposite of subtraction is addition. So when we subtract, when it says subtraction, we do the opposite, which is addition. Okay? So we're going to add 8. When you add 8 to one side, you also have to add it to the other side. You can't forget that. If you only do one side, it'll throw your problem off. So make sure what you do to one side, you do to the other. So add 8 to one side, you add 8 to the other. But what if this said divide? So what if there were 2 dots there and it said divide? What's the opposite of division?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Here we go. So keep that in mind. We're doing opposites. All right. So what we do the opposites. We bring everything down. So now we have 4x equals 20. But here, minus 8 plus 8 equals what? 0. So we cancel that out. So it's no longer there. So then we have 4x equals 20. Is this correct?
No, because you have to add the 8 to make it 28.
Correct. There we go. Good job. So you have to add the 8 to get the 28. Yes.
I'm still a little confused. How did you get 0 when 8 plus 8 is 16?
When 8 plus 8 is 16?
You have 8 on the first equation and you added 8 more.
Okay. So what you do to one side, you do to the other. We added 8 to the already negative 8. So negative 8 plus 8 is 0. Then we added 8 to the 20. 20 plus 8 is 28. Sound great. So 4x equals 28. 4x, that can be kind of difficult to understand. This really means 4 times x. And when we do multiplication, the opposite is division. So we're going to divide by 4. Therefore, we have x, our variable. We separated it. So make sure we do it to here. Make sure we do it to the other side. We do to one side, we do to the other. So x, 28 divided by 4, 7. So therefore, x equals 7. So are we done? We're done. We did our work. We have our answer. Is that all we're going to do?
No.
No. We have to check it. So here we go. We come over here, we rewrite our equation. And where we have the variable x, we plug in the answer we got. So we plug in 7 for our x, or for our variable. Okay, so we work it out. 4 times 7, 28. 28 minus 8. 28 minus 8, 20. 20 equals 20. So therefore, our answer is correct. If the numbers are the same on both sides, our answer is correct. If our number is different, so say we had 18 equals 20, we would know that our answer is incorrect, and we'd have to look back at our equation to see what we did wrong. Do you have any questions?
No.
Great. Thank you. Reggie McCrimmon again. This is my cheer for Breakthrough Denver. So you want to learn a math equation. First, you do the opposite. Separate. You check it. It's an A. Opposite. Separate. Check. It's an A.
I was at G